Today we're making cupcakes. Crack the egg, please. Come on, crack the egg. Good job. And open. 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 Come on, come on, come on. Come on, open. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Yeah. Here. Yeah. Good job. Good job, Robert. Now, second egg, please. Come on. Come on. Open it. Open it. Come on. Open. Come on. Open. Yeah. Mix. 1 tablespoon of honey. Come on, add honey. Good job. More. 1. Good boy. Yeah. Sticky. Okay. Butter. Come on. Add butter. Good boy. 1. Come on. Put butter. Put here. Butter. Good job. Mix. Come on, mix. Mix, chef. Sour cream. Put. Yes. Good. Now mix. Come on, chef. Mix. Good job. Baking powder. Whoa. Come on. Add. Come on, put 1 tablespoon. Yes. I think it's good. And mix. Come on, mix. Dry ingredient. Oh, no. Gentle. Like this. Gentle. Okay. Mix. Gentle. Okay, with your hand also is good. Good. Come on, put the flour. Come on. Good job. Come on. All the flour with your hand. Come on. Whoa, come on. Good boy. Good. Now mix. Come on, mix. Like this. Come on. Put here. Good boy. Come on, more. Good job. Come on, more. Good job. Come on, more. Good job. Come on. Here you go. Good. Here. Put here. Good job. And 2 more. Here. And there. Come on. Good job. 1 spoon. And we'll put here. Look. See? No. Don't touch. Leave it. No. Leave it. Whoa. I'll put here. Here you go. Cupcakes. Come on, try. Come on. Yeah, puppy. Come on, take this paper. Yeah, take it off and try. Daddy? Okay. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no.
Bobby.
High five.
I'm sorry. Wow. No, no.
Yes.
More.
More? No more.